front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security. Then click on app lock, and if you never used it before, click on open encryption methods at the bottom. After seeing all of them, tap on the best one for you: digital password, pattern password, or complex password. Now you get to create it. Click continue at the bottom and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select complete. After picking and adding your app lock login method, tap on the switches next to all of your apps that you wish to lock. Then go back. So now when I try to access my locked app, I can see that pattern is required. To disable app lock from any of those apps, go into the same settings. Click on app lock and enter it. Then click on blue switcher next to one of your locked apps to unlock it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!